Hey, my beauties, welcome back. And boys, this one is for you. I know I've made enough videos for my girls lately, so now it's time for the boys too. I hope you enjoy this one and show it some love. Today we're talking about something a little different: why some girls stay in people's minds forever. Not just crushes, not just short-term attraction, but those girls who don't really leave someone's thoughts even after time passes. Because let's be honest, everyone meets a lot of people in life, but only a few stay in your memory like they never really left. 1. She made them feel something real. Some girls don't stay in memory because of looks or conversations, but because of how they made someone feel. The comfort, the excitement, the peace, or even the confusion, it felt real in that moment. And feelings like that don't disappear easily. Even when time passes, the mind remembers how it felt to be around her. That emotional impact is what keeps her alive in someone's thoughts long after the moment is gone. Number 2, she was different from everyone else. One of the biggest reasons someone stays in memory is because they didn't feel replaceable. She had something about her energy, her personality, her way of talking, or the way she reacted to things that didn't feel ordinary. And when someone feels different, the brain notices. It creates a category in your mind for that person. So even when new people come, she still feels like a reference point. Not better or worse, just different. She created small moments that stayed. It's not always the big moments that stay in someone's mind. Sometimes it's the smallest ones. A look, a smile, a random conversation, or a simple reaction that felt a little too real. Those tiny moments replay later without warning. A person might forget the details of a conversation, but still remember how she looked at them in that second. And those small emotional snapshots are what makes someone unforgettable. She didn't try too hard. Some girls stay in mind because they didn't force anything. They weren't overly available, overly expressive, or trying too hard to be noticed. They were just naturally themselves. And that natural energy feels rare. Because people usually remember what felt effortless and real, not what felt forced. That balance of being present but not overwhelming is what makes her presence stick in someone's memory. 5. She triggered curiosity. Curiosity is powerful. If someone never fully understood her, never fully figured her out, or always felt like there was something more, then she naturally stays in their thoughts. The mind keeps trying to complete the missing pieces. That unfinished feeling creates mental repetition. Even when she's not around, the brain keeps revisiting her because there was never a full answer. And that's what keeps her alive in memory. Number 6. She was emotionally connected. When a girl connects with someone emotionally, even in small ways, it creates a deeper mark. It's not just talking, laughing, or spending time. It's the feeling of being understood or seen in a certain moment. That emotional connection becomes something the brain stores differently. Even after everything changes, the memory of how she made them feel emotionally doesn't fade easily. It stays quiet, but it stays. Number 7. She left without a proper ending. One of the strongest reasons someone stays in mind forever is because things didn't fully close. No clear ending, no proper closure, just distance, silence, or time. And the brain doesn't like unfinished stories. So it keeps going back, replaying, wondering, and imagining what could have been different. That unfinished chapter feeling is what keeps her in someone's mind for a long time. The truth is, girls don't stay in someone's mind forever because of one thing. It's a mix of feeling, timing, emotion, curiosity, and small moments that didn't feel small at the time. So boys, if someone ever stays in your mind longer than expected, it's usually not random. It's because they left something behind that your mind didn't forget. And tell me in the comments, what kind of person stays in your mind the longest? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.